One little finger pointing up high, reaching for the sky. Oh my, oh my. Can you count to one? It's so much fun. Let's start our journey. We've just begun. Two eyes blinking, looking around. 2 feet stomping on the ground. 2 hands clapping, join the beat. Learning numbers is such a treat. 3 little kittens lost their mittens. 3 blind mice running with no sights. Triangle has 3 sides, can you see? Counting to 3 is easy as can be. 4 seasons in a year, winter to fall. 4 legs on a chair, standing tall. 4-leaf clover, lucky indeed. 4 is a number we all need. 5 fingers on each hand, wave them high. 5 toes on each foot, let's give it a try. 5 senses help us feel alive. It's so much fun to count to 5. 6 legs on an insect crawling along. 6 strings on a guitar, play a song. 6 sides on a cube, roll the dice. Counting to 6 is oh so nice. 7 days in a week, Monday to Sunday. 7 colors of the rainbow, so bright and fun, yay! 7 is a number that's good as gold. 8 tentacles on an octopus, swimming free. 8 planets in our solar system, can you see? 8 notes in an octave, do, re, mi. Counting to 8 is easy as can be. 9 innings in baseball, let's go play. 9 months till a baby sees the light. 9 is a number that feels just right. 10 fingers, 10 toes, count them all. 10 years in a decade, time flies by. We've reached 10, give it a try. 11 players on a football team. 11 o'clock, time to dream. In our counting song it has shown. 12 months in a year, January through December. 12 eggs in a dozen, easy to remember. 12 is a number we love to see. 13 in a baker's dozen, extra treat. 13 is unlucky, not for me. In our counting song it's meant to be. 14 days in a fortnight, time goes quick. 14 lines in a sonnet, words to pick. Counting to 14 feels just right. 15 players in rugby on the field. 15 years is a quinceanera celebration. 15's here in our number exploration. 16 candles on a cake, sweet 16. 16 ounces in a pound, though rarely seen. 16 squares on a chessboard, black and white. Counting to 16 is such a delight. 17 syllables in a haiku, poetry so fine. 17 years of cicadas, hear them whine. 17 months till we're adults, almost there. 17's joined our counting affair. 18 holes on a golf course, swinging away. 18 wheels on a big rig on the highway. 18 years to be grown, finally of age. 18's here on our counting stage. 19 years in a score, minus just 1. 19 shapes and tangrams, puzzles are fun. 19 fits in our song.
Doodle Bees. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.